Why are you being a weirdo? We out here at Scenic Beach and gonna try to let the dogs have a little bit of fun out here. So yeah. I got my super long leash concoction going. We got some beautiful views. I'm trying to make my way over there to the sun before I let the dogs start playing in the water, because I'm not trying to get my hands hella frozen. I wanted to go to the sun that's over there, but I guess I'll take this sun because they seem to want to get to the water. Ugh. Oh, guys, this is no bueno. I feel like we should go further up here, guys. I feel like it'll be better. Let's come up here. Hey, come this way. Why are you being a weirdo? What is on there that smells so good to you? Can we not get tangled, please? Hey, Cleasy, leave it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, we good. You can go.